Since 1965, Harwood Rubber Products has been at the forefront of manufacturing high-quality industrial rubber rollers and a variety of custom-coated and molded rubber products. Our services include a variety of repair processes, including roller recovery and regrinding, to keep your operations running smoothly. Where repairs aren't possible, we're able to completely replace your roller. Our capable team serves over 20 different industries and always recommends the right rubber material for each customer's specific application. We even formulate custom rubber compounds when necessary. To minimize your downtime, we work quickly and efficiently, offering both pickup and delivery services as needed. With 60 years of expertise, we ensure every product performs reliably, focusing on quality, consistency, and durability. While some may compromise, our pursuit to earn and keep your confidence drives our every interaction. Contact us today to experience service that keeps your business moving seamlessly.